So Jeffy, what do you think of Caillou? I didn't know you can do that. Very crazy. Hey Judy, guess what? I got a new parrot. It could talk. It could talk!
Wow. I have a pet too. His name is Kirby. He is sold from Dreamland and he will be staying with us for 50 eternities.
Wow, that is so cute.
Meanwhile...
Hooks!
Back! Back, I tell you!
I hate explosions. What are you telling me?
The hooks! The hooks! The hooks! How about hooks?
The hooks? I don't want to have death by hooks. I'm Gavin Graham's best friend. Don't worry, you'll be safe.
Meanwhile to Garfield.
I see you're playing something, Garfield. What is it? I'm playing a Nintendo Classic. It's called... Oh my god, Garfield, you that waste of life. That is it, Garfield. I warn you now, you will pay the price. Goodbye, Garfield.
Oh man.
I make Mondays.
And now for the space launch.
T-minus 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! And now we're blasting off through the stars. What's wrong with the music? Or, I mean the radio?
I got to get it fixed.
There, sir, I got it working. Alright. Make sure the music is fixed. You got it, sir.
Wow, I love the Space Channel.
Me too.